Good morning, Craftopians. Today we're going to be making a generator farm to get unlimited batteries. You can see we've got quite a nice amount of batteries here. It's not been running too long. I'm only doing 3 generators in this build, but ideally you could scale this to as big as you want. It works by having a green mono cooking farm generator. We'll go into that once we build it. And essentially the purpose of that is to regenerate the health on the captured creatures here, thus meaning they just perpetually run. As cruel as it is, it gets us unlimited batteries. So I'm going to dismantle this, we're going to build it in my automation area and we'll go from there. Okay, we're here. This is my automation area. We've got the 3x3 monoliths, so it will regenerate, so it will keep the area loaded. The first thing we're going to do is pick a spot. I'll pick here, and we're going to build the regeneration chamber for the monos. Cool. So begin by making a 3x3 walls. Once that's complete, we need to get the cooking pot. Hop on snap mode and place it somewhat in the middle. And then you want your breeder. Again, pop on snap mode. Pop it more to the back. Once that's placed down, we can get our monos. Place them in. Now how this works is the monos, as they breed, they take damage, or any entity does. But the cool quirk about the green monos is that when they die, they heal everything in the vicinity. That goes for entities such as creatures and items. So these will perpetually regenerate and breed and heal everything in the vicinity. Another quirk of this design is that you also get a passive food generation, so it does generate fried eggs and cactus steaks as well. So it'll be here. Not the best food source, but you know, they work. Next part, we're going to build the next layer. It might look a little bit different to the initial design shown, just because now we're working on a block level rather than the ground level as before. So let's build that part. Cool. So let's build the next part. We're going to want a platform up top. And as I say, this design's a little bit different to what we saw at the start of the video, but that's okay. Still works the same. I'm going to build 3 walls here. Again, the walls aren't massively important. I'll just do it because it looks cleaner. And we're going to place our first generator here. Our second is adjacent to that. If I can place it properly. And the third here. Okay. Next we need to extend the platform just a bit. Again, this is where the design's a little bit different. Cool. And again, build some walls around it. Next we want to get the droppers. We're going to place them on here. And finally, we want the absorber. Well, first we want the chest, right in the corner. We want to get the absorber and pop it on there. Cool. Now we need to get our entities. I'm using bulls, but realistically you can use any entities. Or buffaloes rather, not bulls. I'm going to pop them on a hotbar. I'm going to pop them in. Oh, and that's it, we're done. The balls will be healed, they'll generate batteries, and the batteries will go into the chest. You can see that they'll pop in. And as I say, this can be scaled to much bigger or much smaller than what you need, but the important thing is having the actual wheels close to the mono regenerator. Yeah, so if you found this helpful, please do let me know. If you have any questions, please do let me know. If you like, you could give us a like and subscribe, that'd be great, it really helps, lets me know that you want more of this content. Thank you. In the future we'll be going over the bioethanol generator I have here that generates quite a nice amount, but that'll be in a future episode. I'm going to spend some time off camera just cleaning this up. Yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.